Tell me who's getting all of my residuals. What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? It's vocal coach Tyshan Knight, and today we are doing a breakdown, a reaction to Chris Brown's Residuals. Fantastic song, I've already heard it, and it's super smooth, but I want to break it down even further for you guys, show you what's going on, in case you might want to sing this, cover this, or whatever you want to do with it, or just dissect it. So I'm going to help you dissect it, all right? You guys, let's jump right into it. Let's go. All right. Let's break it down. Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings, everything is faded. Alright, so right off the bat, it's a very light, simple tone. It's like I'm just reminiscing and I'm talking. That's the tone he's giving off. So with a song like this, right off the bat, less is more, okay? You don't want to be doing all these crazy riffs with this type of song. You want to be doing less, alright? Let's get into it.
Maybe this is my definition of JD. This stays on my mind.
Yeah.
This stays on my mind. Trying to put a mother on my crazy feeling. And 1 minute I'm cold and then the next I'm tripping. No.
And he's showing emotion. And the next I'm tripping, no. And the next I'm tripping, no. But he's very in the pocket of the song, hitting with the beat and keeping things very simple.
Somebody she don't deserve it. It's still on my mind. She's still on my mind. We build it up, build it up.
If you notice the two ups, can we build it up, build it up? Two different tones. He had build it up, like deep, build it up, then went light. And he's really building it up. So I kind of like how the way he did that. I'm just taking it in and showing you guys what I'm hearing at the same time. I think it's beautiful. Run away. He had the harmony there. Very good. Sweater's tearing me down. Oh, he's giving you a mixture of just it's simple, but he's also he's tearing you down. Oh, he's giving you everything without overdoing it. It's like it's a balance of. It's a great balance. So I'm trying to say this properly. So it's a great balance of not overdoing it, but still adding a little bit of coloring and splash to it. Yeah. Who's getting all of my residuals? It took some time to realize. It took some time to realize. So he's kind of building it, then he's dropping back, but the melody, the whole melodic tone hasn't changed. He's still keeping that simplistic, very in the pocket type of feel. So you got to remember this when you're singing the song or you're trying to cover it, all right?
I say love is blind. Can we build it up?
Build it up.
It's too late.
Yeah. Yeah. Lace you up. Lace you up. Lace you up. That's how you do that riff. What do you do?
He did something like that in the background. Might not be the right note, but something like that was in the background. Yeah. So much going on. There's a lot of harmony going on. There's a lot of riffs and runs going on. But very subtle, not hard, complex riffs and runs, just melodies going on. And then he's doing his ad-libs on top of it. So. Who's getting all of my residual? Yeah. And you see how they let the music play out at the end? That's amazing. That's what you want to do. So all in all, I really like this song. I really enjoyed it. I love that he kept it very simple, still added his Chris Brown flavor and his little Chris Brown sauce to it without overdoing it. Didn't overdo it on the riffs and runs. The message of the song, this is my favorite thing, the message and the tone of the song was preserved from beginning to the end. And that's not something that you find all the time. So I thought this song was really well done. You guys, of course, in the comments, you guys let me know how you did. If there's a difficult part in that song and you want me to break down specifically, I'll do that for you guys. And I got you, man. Also, in the comments, let me know what you guys want me to break down next. I'm working. We just hit 80,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm working hard, and this is all for you guys. I want all of us to get better at singing. And with that said, make sure you check out my vocal courses. Make sure you check out my packages. I just created a new riffs and runs package. It is so dope. If you're trying to sing and get better at singing, and this is not like warming up. This is very different. This is like the post. After you warm up your voice and you need some agility drills and you want something that challenges you and helps you like just get your riffs and runs very sharp, this is for you. Trust me, it's gonna work, it's effective. I've already completed part 2. Me and my cousin were working on part 2 just for you guys. So I'm very active, I'm very intentional this time around. I want to engage with you guys, my singing community, and we're gonna all grow together, all right? So with that said, you guys, keep on singing. Peace. And also, you're gonna see some new original music from me coming soon. I got you guys. I love y'all, all right? Peace.